What's going on, YouTube? This is my 2015 F-150 Lariat trim, and it is V8 5.0. I've had it for about 2 years now, and this is pretty much where it's at as of now. Just washed it today, took me a few hours. Sorry about the wind in advance, but yeah, I'll go ahead and talk about it. So we'll start off with the front. I have the Raptor grill, the one that everybody has, but I love it, so it is what it is. I got the Barricade front bumper. It's tough. I went ahead and put some aftermarket fog lights in there on both sides, so it's super bright at night. That's what I love. I got the Alpha Rex headlights with the black housings, and they're actually sequential when I put my turn signals on. I am on a 6-inch BDS lift with the Fox shots. Can't tell if you can see that back there, but it's back there. My front windshield is tinted 30%. My wheel and tire setup, I went ahead and went with the Fuel Rebels. These are going to be 20x10 with a -18 offset. And then my tire setup is Toyo ATs, 35x12.5. And then we got the pocket style fender flares. And those are actually drilled in, they're not held by 3M tape like how some people do. I have double limo tint all around because it gets hot here in Texas. It's sunny and hot. There's the Fox shocks. I have a Gator tonneau cover. That comes in handy a lot. And my exhaust, I'm running the full catback exist system, Borla S-type. There's no drone. You still get some, like muscle behind it. It's not like the Attacks for sure, but people definitely hear you when you come around. And then on cold starts, it's mean. So then I have the rear Barricade bumper, which matches the front one. Here's my license plates, my tow hitch cover. I really need to take that badge off. That flex fuel kind of bothers me. And then also, I want y'all's opinions. I don't know if I should take these off or not. Haven't figured it out yet, but I'm not sure if I do want to take them off. Let me know what y'all think. My truck probably doesn't look like it sits that high because I'm 6'4", but it definitely does. But yeah, I'll drop a list of all the mods that I have done. I'm not going to show you the inside because it's actually really dirty. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe, ask any questions you'd like. Later, y'all.